I'm going to go ahead and give you a packet just to fill out the contact information.
The City of Grand Prairie is offering free COVID-19 testing to residents and people who work in the city. A drive-through site is now open at the Veterans Park Event Center on Tuesday and Thursday from 8 a.m. until 5 p.m. To get the free test, you must make an appointment by phone or text at 1-888-766-6653. You'll also need proof of Grand Prairie residency. Officials say the city is making the test available to people who have symptoms and those without symptoms.
We didn't have any free sites in Grand Prairie. The federal sites are located in Dallas and Fort Worth, so we wanted to be able to offer something to our citizens that was here local and they had the ability to get to.
The city is also offering free at-home testing by appointment on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. These tests are available for anyone 65 or older and household members, anyone with a chronic disease and household members, anyone disabled and household members, as well as anyone symptomatic without transportation. The drive-through and at-home tests are scheduled to run through June, but officials say that could be extended if there is enough demand.
If we see a lot of demand, then we do have the ability to extend for another 30 days, so we'll just have to see how testing goes.
You can get more information about the free testing and other COVID-19 news by visiting the city's website at gptx.org.